Hey everyone, you're watching Flutterwithalan, and today we are discussing about Dart fundamentals. In the previous lecture video, we'll discuss about Dart concepts. So after a long time, I am back. So in this video, we just discuss about what is inheritance in Dart. Okay, so the inheritance allows one class to inherit the properties and methods of another class. It is a fundamental concept of object-oriented programming that helps in code reusability and polymorphism. So it simply the inheritance is just in our code when we are creating. So we just writing our subclasses. Okay, so a parent class and a subclass. In this subclass, the properties and behavior which will extract from the parent class, that it is simply called an inheritance. Okay, and in a programming language, an inheritance are of different types, like single inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, etc. and etc. Okay, so in this lecture we will just discuss about what was the actual core concept, or what was actual the inheritance in simply means. Okay, so that are the just things we discussed about in this video today. So on the next lecture we dive on the core topic inheritance by practical learning. Okay, so that is inheritance. So the simple syntax of inheritance will be written like this. So this is an example from ChatGPT. First we are creating a class, parent class, then creating a void function greet and print hello from the parent. This is the parent class. Okay, so this is the parent class. After, the subclass will be created. The extends, which means this keyword is actually used to inherit the properties or behavior from the parent class. The above we returned is the parent class. The below we returned is the child class. This is the actual format. The inheritance will be performed in a class. Okay, so you all know about what is actual class and objects that I am not discussing right now. So this is just what is inheritance. Okay, so the extend keyword is actually used to inherit properties actually work. So the void hi, say hi function is used and open the curly braces and print hi from the child. This is parent class and subclass. This be how the inheritance is actually performed in code. Okay, on the next lecture we just discussed about our core topic inheritance by practical learning. Okay, thank you guys. See you on next video. Keep coding. Take care and bye.